All right, hello everyone. This is Day Trading Futures with JD, and I'm JD. I just wanted to do a quick update. I am quitting Apex Trader Funding. It's not because I have questions about their payouts. I've received payouts. They have great customer support. I think Daryl Martin and his whole crew and his team, I think they're great. The main reason I'm quitting is because I like TradingView and I like this platform a whole lot better than using Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. There's several pros and cons to using a browser-based trading platform. I don't have to have a remote computer anymore. I've been using a virtual instance with, if you've noticed some of my previous videos, I talk about using a remote computer. It's kind of a pain in the butt to fire up my virtual computer and go to, log into Rhythmic, log into NinjaTrader, set my chart up, connect, reconfigure. Y'all know the steps. With, TradingView, I can go straight to my browser and boom, I have everything preset. Everything, my chart is saved the way I like it. Everything is just so much easier. And of course, TradingView has, a mobile app. So you have that option as well. Well, so I'm giving up Apex. I'm stopping. I will no longer be using Apex. Like I said, not because they're a bad company. I think they're a wonderful company. However, there is another prop firm that's actually, they're actually running a 70% off Labor Day sale, just like Apex Trader Funding. For this weekend only, this promotion only, I think it ends, I think it said September 5th. And they're also doing a giveaway. So kind of the same thing that Apex Trader Funding's doing. They're going to do a drawing on everyone that signs up over the weekend. But the greatest thing about this, everything it looks pretty much the same. All of their evaluations and things look the same. The main difference is you can use TradingView and Tradovate. That means Tradovate has a great mobile app, which I used this morning. I've already placed a trade. And of course, from my previous videos, I've been doing a small account challenge with using my mobile app. But it gives you the TradingView and Tradovate option, which allows you to trade within your browser. I know Apex Trader Funding has been trying to maybe merge their products over to Tradovate, since NinjaTrader owns Tradovate now. However, they have been dragging their feet. And this company here, Elite Trader Funding, has come out just in the last few months. And they're already online with Tradovate and TradingView. Everything looks the same with their evaluations. Let me rephrase that. Not everything is the same. They still have the one-step evaluation. They still have the trailing drawdown. The difference is, I guess one of the big differences, you only need 5 days of trading to qualify for your performance account. And the prices are about the same. Drawdown's about the same. Your profit target's about the same. It's comparable to the Apex Trader Funding. I haven't really looked at these other evaluation programs like the Fast Track evaluation. I haven't looked at that. And then they have an end of day drawdown. that has a daily loss limit. That might be better for some. I just signed up for the 50,000 evaluation of the this one-step evaluation here, where I have the intraday unrealized profit trailing drawdown. I'm going to be changing some of the times that I trade. I'm not going to be trading after the New York session, or from 8:30 until 3:30 or 4. I'm going to try something different with this evaluation. I'm going to try to keep my profit small, my risk small, and I'm just going to get 1 or 2 trades a day, and then I'm done for the day. I'm not going to try to pass the evaluation in 5 days. I'm not going to, do anything crazy like that. I'm just going to get in and get out with probably, I want to shoot for about $300 a day, and that would give me the availability of, looking at a 10-day evaluation. But anyway, if you want to try out Elite Trader Funding, it's a great time for this. It's 75% off the first month, and then 60% off the lifetime evaluation subscription. Just like Apex Trader Funding, it continues. If you fail in evaluation, resets are $75, so a little less. However, if you want to wait until your subscription renews, like if you fell in the first week or two, you can wait until the subscription renews, and it automatically resets, just like Apex Trader Funding. So these guys are the payouts are about the same. Another thing, the first payout with Apex Trader Funding is 25 days of active trading, whereas Elite Trader Funding is only 20 days. They do scale the first 3 to 4 payouts, and then after that, you can no max on your payouts. I think I said scale. What I meant was limit your payouts with these just like Apex Trader Funding. It's a very similar model. The difference is, I think the main difference is the 5-day trading, and then to minimum of 5 days, and then the browser support. But anyway, check them out. Click the link below. I may go back to Apex Trader Funding whenever they start integrating with Tradeovate, and whenever I can start trading on the browser. I don't know, but I'm really looking forward to this, and stay tuned. I'll probably give an update when I pass their evaluation and let you know how that goes. So I will close with this. Goodbye, Apex Trader Funding, and hello, Elite Trader Funding. Thank you, guys. And I'll probably do a more of an in-depth comparison later on, but just stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe, and thanks a lot for following.